We're back in the gardens today for our next A to Z subject, and it's a special time as restoration has just begun on the building stonework. So I is for Ionic Temple.
The temple can be found at one end of the beautiful South Terrace at Wentworth Woodhouse. It was designed by the architect Henry Flitcroft and built in 1735 to 36 for Thomas Watson Wentworth, who was the first Marquis of Rockingham. The temple takes its name from the 10 Ionic columns that support the domed roof. And at the centre of the temple, underneath the dome, is a statue of Hercules.
We'll be bringing you a whole series of videos about the restoration work on the Ionic Temple throughout the remainder of the year. Join us next time and learn more about Wentworth Woodhouse.